Hello, Myron. This is Damon, X-Treme Bait Tanks. Your custom 23-gallon bait tank is finished. Lower 3/4 inch drain. 250 anniversary logo. Inside, black walls. As we know, black absorbs light, reduces stress on the bait. You have a 12-volt pump and a 12-volt LED. You'll be sent with a set of directional flows of 45, 90, 180, and 360. So you can swap that out so you can match the tank to your bait. Serial number in the top right-hand corner. The screen cap that feeds a double bag manifold. Never let your filters dry dirty. When you're done, turn them inside out, rinse, and repeat. Everything on the tank is 3/16 stainless steel and tinned wire. 2 quick connects, pump and light. I'll send you with the 2-to-1 pigtail and alligator clips to your 12-volt battery. 12-volt max, not 24 or 36. You have an inner and an outer wall with a 1-inch air pocket. That is your insulator. That's also what makes these tanks the lightest portable bait tanks on the market. We're going to dry this up, box it up, headed your way. As always, if you have any questions, give us a call. Till then, we hope you have an extreme day.